Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a copyright claim on YouTube. First, it's crucial to understand what copyright infringement truly means and how your original work is protected. Before jumping into a formal claim, take a moment to consider if your content genuinely qualifies. We'll cover the initial steps to ensure you're well prepared, helping you identify the types of creative works that copyright law safeguards, setting a strong foundation for your claim. Now, let's walk through the actual process of filing your claim on YouTube. You'll need to navigate to the specific copyright complaint form, which is designed to guide you. Be ready to provide detailed information about your original copyrighted work, including its title and a clear description. Then, precisely specify the infringing content, providing exact URLs and timestamps. Accuracy here is key to a swift and effective resolution, ensuring YouTube can easily locate the problematic material. To make your copyright claim robust, gathering solid evidence is absolutely essential. You'll need to collect undeniable proof of ownership for your copyrighted material, whether it's a registration certificate or original project files. Make sure to include precise timestamps and direct URLs for every instance of the infringing content. Attaching any relevant creative work files or official documents will significantly strengthen your case, providing YouTube with all the necessary information to validate your claim quickly and efficiently. After you've submitted your copyright claim, you might wonder what happens next. YouTube has a review process, which typically takes a few days, sometimes up to 72 hours, to assess your submission. You'll be notified of potential outcomes, which could include the removal of the infringing content or a copyright strike against the uploader. Should you disagree with a decision, we'll also touch upon options for counter-notifications or appeals, ensuring you understand all your avenues moving forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.